Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you the Zippy Balisong inserts for Kraken clone Baliplus. Got a 2.5 there. I got a V3 there. So so on the V2.5, those inserts fit like a glove. I asked the owner of Zippy Balisong, and he didn't know because nobody tested already on clones, just on the real one. So yeah, on the 2.5, it's worked really good, but on the V3, it's not work at all. So it's not the blade. It's not 1-1. Those pieces are too small. No, sorry. Those pieces are too big for this one. This one is too short. No, sorry. This one was too long for this one. Because this one is the Baliplus V3 6061. Like this one. Both are 6061. So, not work on this one. My old one, 7075. The blade it's more long. I made a video to brush this blade. I sand it, sand it, brush finish. Well, it's not work on this blade too, because those two blades are not the same. The cutout, it's way more big on this one. So on the 7075, that thing is too short. Those are too small. Those are too small too. So yeah, the Zippy Balisong kit for the V3 don't work for Baliplus V3. So that's it. If you guys have a question, you can put them below. And ah, just to prove, all three trainer got Squid Industries hardware. Goes one got all the kit: washers, bushings, and screw pivots. But this one is just because it's a floating washer, so I just put the pivots and screw. So yeah, please subscribe if you want. Help the channel and help me. And that's it. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.